Hey appraisers, today I wanted to show you a referral in action. So a couple of weeks ago, I got an email from a potential client, and the email read, we would like to request an estimate for our upcoming appraisal. And it was a property manager. So I responded back, thank you for reaching out. Do you need an appraisal for insurance replacement costs? Because that's what I assumed it was. She mentioned which project it was, so I assumed it was that. And then she responded, yes, I need 35 buildings, the replacement cost for 35 buildings, the clubhouse, outbuildings, amenities, and the common areas. Now, this is a type of request that's common in my area for insurance purposes. Every so often, the insurance companies require an appraiser to estimate the replacement cost of the common areas in the buildings. So this is a bigger assignment, and this is in an area that I don't venture into replacement costs. It's not something I've ever done. I may learn about in the future, but right now I don't do replacement cost appraisals. But I know somebody in my market who does. And the only way I knew that was by networking with other appraisers in my area. Like right here's the membership map. There's over 1,100 members around the country, and there's plenty in my area. So I started to get to know people in my area, and I found out this was a specialty of somebody who was very close to me. So I'll show you how easy it is to send a referral. So I put the person's name there because I already know, I've already developed this relationship, so I know who the appraiser is. Just pop their name right in the membership directory. I could pull up their profile. And from here, I copied and pasted their information in the profile, and I sent it to the potential client that reached out to me. And I said, hey, I don't do this service, but you can connect with this appraiser who does. And then I CC'd him on the email. So I made the connection, and then I went to the referral form. It's very simple. Click send a referral, and I entered all the information here for that appraiser. I gave the point of contact, gave everything, and then the appraiser contacted them and gave a quote. This quote happened to be $3,000, which if it works out, that'll be a great referral for me. I'll earn 12% of that, which is $360. I earned the $360 because I marketed and got this property manager that emailed me. I got the business, was able to refer it. Actually, I got them to call me, which, I was able to refer out the business. And the appraiser is going to make, the $3,000 fee, which they quoted, and they knew about the 15% platform fee. So basically $3,000 minus 15% or $450. So it's a win-win all around. So if you're not earning referral income, what is stopping you? When you get an assignment you can't do, maybe you're a residential appraiser and you have a commercial request you can't fulfill. Maybe it's outside your coverage area, a few counties away that somebody needs a referral for. Maybe it's just something that's time sensitive and you can't do. Why not refer to one of your colleagues and still earn a referral fee? So appraisers, get out there, start earning referral income, and most importantly, start connecting with the appraisers near you. That's the best way to generate business for yourself. All right, appraisers, I'll catch you on the next.